Welcome to Section 1. Introduction, unleash your leg power with HIIT. Want legs of steel? HIIT or high-intensity interval training is your secret weapon. It blasts calories and builds muscle fast, perfect for those busy people short on time. Today we're diving into a 30-minute no-repeat leg workout that will push you to your limits. Get ready to torch fat, sculpt your legs and smash through plateaus. No equipment needed, just your body weight and your determination. Let's do this. HIIT combines short bursts of intense exercise with brief recovery periods, keeping your heart rate elevated, maximizing calorie burn, and boosting your metabolism. It's way more effective than long, slow cardio sessions, and perfect for targeting specific areas like your legs. Get ready to feel the burn and see amazing results. This workout is designed to challenge every muscle in your legs, from your quads, hamstrings, glutes, to calves, with a variety of dynamic exercises. The no-repeat format keeps things interesting and prevents boredom. You'll be so focused on the next move, you won't even realize how hard you're working. Get ready to sweat, push yourself, and unleash your inner athlete. Remember, consistency is key. This workout is tough, but the results are worth it. Stick with it, challenge yourself, and watch your legs transform. You've got this. Now let's get started and unleash your leg power. Moving on to Section 2, igniting the burn, jump squats. First up, jump squats. These are explosive movements that target your quads, glutes, and hamstrings. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, toes slightly pointed out. Lower into a squat, keeping your back straight and core engaged. Then explode upwards into a jump, reaching your arms overhead. Land softly and immediately go into the next squat. Jump squats are a fantastic way to build power and explosiveness in your legs. They also get your heart rate up, adding a cardio element to your workout. Focus on proper form and controlled movements to maximize results and prevent injury. Remember to breathe. It's easy to hold your breath during intense exercises, but proper breathing is crucial for performance. Inhale as you lower into the squat and exhale forcefully as you jump. This will help you power through the movement and maintain good form. Keep pushing. Jump squats are tough, but they're incredibly effective. Don't be afraid to modify the exercise if needed. You can start with regular squats or even box jumps to build strength and confidence. The key is to challenge yourself and keep progressing. Next, let's head into Section 3, powering up, walking lunges. Now let's get those legs moving with walking lunges. This exercise targets your quads, glutes, and hamstrings while also improving balance and coordination. Step forward with your right leg and lower your body until your right thigh is parallel to the ground. Make sure your front knee is directly above your ankle. Push off with your right foot to return to the starting position and repeat on the other side. Walking lunges engage multiple muscle groups simultaneously, making them a highly effective compound exercise. Keep your core engaged throughout the movement to maintain stability and balance. Avoid leaning forward or arching your back. Focus on maintaining a straight line from your head to your heels. This will help you target the correct muscles and prevent injury. Remember to keep your movements controlled and deliberate. Don't rush through the exercise. Focus on quality over quantity. If you're new to walking lunges, start with a shorter stride and gradually increase the distance as you get stronger. Finally, we reach Section 4, core strength and balance, Romanian deadlift. Time to challenge your balance and core strength with Romanian deadlifts. This exercise targets your hamstrings, glutes, and lower back while also improving stability and coordination. Stand with your feet hip-width apart, holding a light dumbbell in each hand. Shift your weight onto your legs and slowly hinge forward at your hips, keeping your back straight. Extend your left leg behind you as you lower the weights towards the ground. Keep your core engaged and your back flat throughout the movement. Lower yourself until you feel a stretch in your hamstrings, then slowly return to the starting position. Repeat, maintaining form. Romanian deadlifts are a great way to strengthen your hamstrings. If one side feels weaker than the other, focus on strengthening that side using single-leg deadlift. Remember to keep your movements slow and controlled. This will help you maintain balance and target the correct muscles. If you're new to Romanian deadlifts, start without weights and gradually add resistance as you get stronger, or you can try single-leg deadlifts. Section 5, cardio blast, high knees. Get ready for a cardio blast with high knees. This exercise will get your heart rate pumping while also engaging your core and leg muscles. Stand with your feet hip-width apart and start running in place, bringing your knees up towards your chest. Pump your arms to increase the intensity. High knees are a great way to improve your cardiovascular fitness and coordination. They also help to strengthen your hip flexors and core muscles. Focus on maintaining a strong core and keeping your back straight throughout the exercise. Remember to breathe. It's easy to hold your breath during high-intensity exercises, but proper breathing is crucial for performance. Inhale as you bring your knees up and exhale as you lower them. This will help you maintain a steady rhythm and avoid getting out of breath too quickly. Keep pushing. High knees are a challenging but effective exercise. If you need to modify the exercise, you can march in place instead of running. The key is to keep your heart rate elevated and your body moving. Section 6. Sculpting those inner thighs, lateral lunges. Let's target those inner thighs with lateral lunges. This exercise works your inner and outer thighs, glutes and quads. Stand with your feet wider than shoulder width apart, toes pointing forward. Step to the right, bending your right knee and keeping your left leg straight. Push off with your right foot to return to the starting position and repeat on the other side. Lateral lunges are a great way to improve your lateral movement and stability. They also help to strengthen your hips and glutes. Keep your core engaged throughout the movement to maintain balance and stability. Avoid leaning forward or arching your back. Focus on maintaining a straight line from your head to your heels. This will help you target the correct muscles and prevent injury. Remember to keep your movements controlled and deliberate. Don't rush through the exercise. Focus on quality over quantity. If you're new to lateral lunges, start with a shorter stride and gradually increase the distance as you get stronger. Section 7. Glute activation, glute bridges. Time to activate those glutes with glute bridges. This exercise targets your glutes and hamstrings while also strengthening your core. Lie on your back with your knees bent and your feet flat on the floor. Raise your hips off the ground, squeezing your glutes at the top. Lower your hips back down to the starting position and repeat. Glute bridges are a great way to improve your posture and reduce lower back pain. They also help to improve your performance in other exercises such as squats and deadlifts. Keep your core engaged throughout the movement to protect your lower back. Avoid arching your back or pushing through your toes. Focus on squeezing your glutes at the top of the movement to maximize muscle activation. Remember to breathe. Inhale as you lower your hips and exhale as you raise them. This will help you maintain a steady rhythm and avoid holding your breath. If you want to increase the intensity, you can try single-leg glute bridges or add a resistance band around your thighs. Section 8. Calf power, calf raises. Let's give those calves some love with calf raises. This exercise targets your calf muscles, which are essential for running, jumping, and overall leg strength. Stand with your feet hip-width apart, holding onto a wall or chair for balance if needed. Rise up onto the balls of your feet, lifting your heels off the ground. Lower your heels back down to the starting position and repeat. Calf raises are a simple yet effective exercise that can be done anywhere, anytime. You can increase the intensity by performing calf raises on a slightly elevated surface, such as a step or a book. This will increase the range of motion and challenge your calf muscles even more. Remember to keep your movements controlled and deliberate. Don't bounce at the bottom of the movement. Focus on squeezing your calves at the top of the movement to maximize muscle activation. You can also try variations such as seated calf raises or single leg calf raises to target different parts of your calf muscles. Section 9, stretching it out, importance of cool down. We've worked those legs hard, now it's time to cool down with some stretches. Stretching after a workout is crucial for improving flexibility, reducing muscle soreness, and preventing injury. Hold each stretch for 30 seconds, breathing deeply and relaxing into the stretch. Focus on stretching all the major muscle groups. We worked quads, hamstrings, glutes, and calves. You can do static stretches, where you hold each stretch for a period of time, or dynamic stretches, where you move your body through a range of motion. Stretching regularly can also improve your posture, reduce stress, and improve your overall well-being. Make it a habit to stretch after every workout and even on your rest days. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to flexibility. The more you stretch, the more flexible you'll become. Listen to your body and never force a stretch. If you feel any pain, stop and adjust the stretch accordingly. Section 10, conclusion. You've got this. Well done. You've crushed this 30-minute no-repeat height leg workout. Remember, fitness is a journey, not a destination. Keep challenging yourself, stay consistent, and you'll see amazing results. This workout is just the beginning. There are endless possibilities when it comes to height workouts. Get creative, try new exercises, and find what works best for you. And most importantly, have fun. Fitness should be enjoyable, not a chore. Don't be afraid to modify exercises if needed. Listen to your body and take breaks when you need them. Progress takes time, so be patient and celebrate your achievements along the way. Now go out there and unleash your leg power. You've got this.